Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have Ipsy. So Ipsy is a makeup and beauty subscription. They send you 5 products ranging from sample to full size if you get the Glam Bag. This is the smallest version. It's $13 a month plus $1.99 handling fee. You get to pick one of the 5 items they give you. Now there are bigger options you can get. Their Glam Bag Plus has 5 full-size products in it. It's $28 plus $1.99 a month. You get to pick 3 of the 5 products they send you on that one. Or they have the Glam Bag X, which I do love getting that one. That one is every 3 months, so it's a seasonal box. It will replace this one for that month. You get 7 to 8 full-size products. They're picked out by celebrities, so you get this cute little magazine. They give you little tips and stuff about the products. You get to pick 3 of those as well, and it is $58 plus the $1.99 handling fee. Ipsy and Boxy have combined, so they're kind of like sister companies now. They do have the really good sales where you can get the products for deep discounts. I have been trying to avoid the sales, y'all. I've been fairly good, fairly-ish. Better than I was. I'm doing better. I'm doing better. But right now we're going to look and see what is in this Glam Bag if I can get it open. Hi. Yes, sprained my wrist. Have to wear this clunker of a thing that catches cat hair like I mean, I need to be wearing that shirt that says cat hair is my glitter because I got plenty of glitter on my wrist brace. Where are my scissors? They're on here somewhere. Still getting used to where I'm putting everything with the new setup. I'm not alone today, y'all. Miss Callie Cat is sitting up in the tree. Don't look at my cat tree too close. It is a mess. I need to clean that thing. I need to just vacuum it like crazy and then take it outside and scrub the fire out of it. Maybe even recarpet it. Because they have pulled a lot of the, you know, that twine they put around it where they can scratch your nails. They've scratched a lot of it off. Okay. Interesting. I was expecting something Christmassy. But it's cute and it's fuzzy and it's pink and orange. Kind of like a lilac-y, almost pink. Purpley pink. But it's fuzzy soft. I like it. I like the Ipsy bag this month. It says hooray. Hooray on the little zipper. Treat yourself. Don't forget to get a little something for yourself too. Shop our closet clear out sale starting December 14th where we empty out our beauty closet and you stock yours. Ooh, maybe I need to do that. Plus shop directly for some of your favorite brands with Ipsy exclusive discounts. Oh, what fun. December 2022. Very colorful this year. Let the celebrations begin. We're throwing a month-long holiday party to bring you all the good cheer and glam beauty. So swipe on that bright lip. Check. Slip on your dancing shoes. Well, I didn't do that. And get ready to revel in the most wonderful time of year. Y'all, I didn't put on dancing shoes because I've got my little snowman socks on. And they are super cute. Katie from Katie's Corner of the World sent them to me in a box. And I love them. All right, let's open this up. Does it tell me what's inside? It does not. Bonnie was underneath me. She wants to chase Callie and I'm trying to keep her from. Anyway, there's all that stuff on the inside talking about that. I'm gonna not read it. Okay, so let's open the bag and see what is inside here. So this is R+CO Balloon Dry Volume Spray. It's a volume spray. Dry volume. It says lifeless limp locks. Get ready to be uplifted. This volumizing spray not only adds intense body, it also helps give you touchable texture and weightless hold. All right, well, that's interesting. My locks are not doing so great today. I feel frizzy, but I didn't do much with them. I did put that wow stuff in my hair today, though. But I didn't put any, like, leave-in conditioner or any special lotions or potions. But that's interesting. I will have to try this out. This, of course, is the deluxe sample. It is a styling spray. All right. Let's see what is next. I don't have how much it is. I will put it all down below. I'll look it up later. Next, we have CIATÉ London Wonderwand Mascara. So this is the Wonderwand Mascara in Black Magic. And it is a deluxe sample. It says lengthening, volumizing, curling, and defining. This multitasking mascara literally does it all. Its superpower lies on an hourglass-shaped wand that coats every single lash, even the tiniest ones, in rich carbon black color and lifts them for up to 12 hours. That's some big claims, y'all. I mean, that's some really big claims. So look at that. It doesn't even look like it's got product, but maybe on 3/4 of the wand. I have to say, I'm not impressed with that. I mean, I'll have to put it on my eyes to know for sure, but I gotta say, I'm super not impressed with that so far. Next, this is YENSA Super Serum Silk Concealer, Vitamin C and E, 8 Super Blacks. Is that what that says? Essence? I don't even know. Let me read it on the computer. Maybe I can actually read it from there. This is in Fair 2 is the color. It says, get ready for your smoothest skin ever thanks to this luminous concealer. I don't know if luminous is great for under your eyes. I always thought you wanted this to be a little bit powdered, a little, because if you illuminate here, I mean, if you want to brighten, not illuminate, because if you have like shiny down here, it's gonna make your bags look bigger. That's always what I thought anyway. So this says vitamin C and E and ferulic acid help boost brightness to combat unwanted darkness, while skin plumping peptides and the anti-aging defying complex nourish. You're left with a skin-like finish so flawless, you'd swear you were using a filter. Okay, well, let's see. I'm just putting a teeny tiny bit, but y'all, I don't use a lot of concealer. I just use the teeny tiny bit, and then I go all the way here to here with it, and so I spread that stuff out. It doesn't take much. All right, so it's not as reflective as I was afraid it would be when they said luminous, but it lightens. Okay, I can see that. I'll play with it. I will play with it. We will see how it goes. This is SOPHIA and MABELLE, the stack. So this is an eyeshadow duo. Berry Spritz is what it's called. This is a $20 value. This little guy is a $20 value. It says, get 2 unbelievably pretty eyeshadow shades that are curated to blend together perfectly and look very irresistible. So I do like the stacks. They make them easier to carry with you if you're going to travel with them. Okay, I can see how they go together. Where am I going to put this? All right, they're subdued, but they're fine. I mean, let me get them. Let's see if they layer some. A little more on there. Okay. Oh, that's nice. That's cute. I'll have to try that out on my eyes and see how it goes. That is cute. I just don't reach for these much. I tend to reach for the big palettes because it's got so many colors to choose from. But I will try it out. All right, the last thing in here, this is Clark's Botanicals. So this is the Ultra Rich Lip Balm. It says, give your lips some love with this super nourishing, superfood infused lip balm that helps restore suppleness and softness to your lips with neroli Moroccan organic oils and avocado and mango butters while helping to plump and protect your lips with amino acids. All right, so they put a bunch of stuff in this little bitty lip balm. Let's see what it looks like. I want to see if it smells like mango. It's very subtle, but not like mango, not like the buttery kind of stuff, more of that just a lip balm kind of smell, not like a scented one, you know, just a non-scented. Probably be sticky. All right, so here is the concealer, pretty much dried. There's the clear lip balm. There is the eyeshadow palettes. No, the eyeshadow duo. Also got the mascara and the hairspray. What did we think of this month's Ipsy for December? I mean, I think it was okay. I do wish they got, you know, I'd get a few more full-size products along with my deluxe minis, but I do love a sample because I get so much stuff that it's not as much waste. So, kind of torn. What do we think about Ipsy? Should we keep getting Ipsy? Bonnie is so mad that Callie is up there on her spot in the tree. She is like pacing. My good gracious. Y'all, thank you so very much for spending a little bit of time with me today to see this Ipsy Glam Bag. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free, and if you want to subscribe to Ipsy, I do have a link below for that. Thank you so very much if you use any of my links. Some of them do help me out. Also, if you want to help out more and donate to the cause, which is revamping the studio, there are 2 ways to do that. There's super thanks down below, or you can buy me a coffee. There is a link below in the description box for that. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.